Hello everyone, Andrew here with a new YouTube video. In this one we're gonna do a backtest session. So we're actually gonna use this software that is called FOREX Tester 5. This is a software that was specifically made for testing the financial market, so I thought it's really cool. It mimics like the reality, it mimics like the MetaTrader 5, which is really nice. You can have the balance, you have like 30 years of data, which is really nice. So I'm gonna show you around and do a backtest session. I thought this software is really cool, so that's why I bought it for YouTube and also for my mentorship, so we can do some backtest sessions. So let's create a new project. We're gonna do EURUSD, and we're gonna do let's do 2020. No, that was COVID. 2019. So we're gonna do January 2019 to this month, September. So let's do actually like September. So I'm gonna have data from beginning of the year, so I can start using GMT class 3, and let's start from September. So start from September so we can have the data and just do like a few days of trading. We're gonna do forward testing, so we can't go back if we mess up, so it's legit. So let's start the backtest session. Okay, we're loading up the data, and you're gonna see how cool this software is. And if you enjoy it, then we can probably do more videos like this. So let's stop, go on the 4 hour and see what's happening. Monthly is bearish AF, weekly is also bearish, daily is also bearish, 4 hour is also bearish. We just had a big move to the downside, so I want to see some structure on the 50-minute in order to take a sell for that pullback. So let's see some structure. This is Asia session, so time zone is Romania time, 10 AM is London Open. So we have London Open, we do have a bearish change of character, so let's wait for a retest down to this area right here, see if we have it, or from that area also could potentially moving up. Let's see how we react from the 1 minute. We have a bearish charge there, we can maybe take a sell. So we do have that bearish charge from that POI. So let's see if we have a small retracement so we can take a sell, sorry. Come on. Doesn't want to give it to us. Okay, so it doesn't want to give it to us. No worries. Let's go forward a bit. We came to the low and we take the low. So that was supposed to be a really nice trade. So right now we don't really have anything to do. We're just gonna wait for 4 hours to see what's happening. Take the low again, we go down. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, we did have a bullish charge. Okay, so let's wait for London session so we can take a buy because we had a nice reaction. So I'll go forward a bit, London session, and we're just gonna take a buy in London session. Didn't give it to us again, so wait for a pullback and no pullbacks. Okay, I kind of want to take a sell here on the 4 hour because we did come to this area, feel it. We had a bearish change of character on the 4 hour. We are almost London session, so I'm gonna take a sell just so I don't miss it. Stop loss is gonna be above this week, and then we're gonna add some more positions if the let's 2% on this actually. So let's see how this plays out, and we're gonna target the low on the 4 hour. So if it does come up more, I'm just gonna add more positions. Okay, we start dropping really nice. So 1 hour, we're gonna potentially swing this trade to the low. Okay, I think we can go break even and let's actually take some partials. So that was a nice sell. London, pre-London, 4 hour change of character from the supply zone, came back in, retracement, and now we are dropping to fill that imbalance on the 4 hour. And I think I'm gonna close 10% here. So that's gonna be close part of positions. We have 26 lots, so I'm gonna close I think 20 lots. So let's close 20 lots, and we are up 10%. So we do have some more trades to take, and take profit for this trade is gonna be the low. So let's play price, see what happens, see if we have a pullback, potentially take another sell. So we do have a pullback here. Let's see how we react there. It's the time. Okay, probably gonna wait for London Open to take another sell. So let's wait. Don't usually trade Asia session, so that's why I'm waiting. But it does. Okay, we have the bearish charge. So now let's take I don't want to take a sell right here, but that's gonna be risky. No, yeah, let's take a sell here. So market sell, gonna cover the high. just covering the high because I don't have any patience to take multiple trades. Okay, we get stopped out immediately, so no problem. Let's wait. Okay, now I want to see the reaction from this area, and also, okay, we do have the panel here. That's nice, from this area. So let's wait to see some kind of reaction, taking a sell, see how it plays out. Almost getting stopped out, and we start moving to profit, retest that area, and I don't know what happened here. Wow, okay, that was something. I never saw that in my life. But yeah, okay, so that was a huge liquidity week. God damn. Okay, I guess there's nothing to do here. Just wait for the low, this low right here, or a potential pullback, but I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. I think this was news or something. So we are still up 6%, which is okay. We had a 10% win and then 2 losses of 2% each. So let's take like 2 more trades and see what happens. So I'm not gonna take buys here, so let's just go forward a bit. Probably gonna take that low and then maybe have pullback or something. Okay, so we came close to the low. I don't want to take a counter trend buy here. See if we structure is really bearish, so I'm gonna wait. Okay, we do move away. So let's see if we have any buys here. That's New York, so I'm probably gonna wait for London session. So we do have a really bullish move from that area, and we're probably gonna break the high. Wow. This was insane. Holy shit, that was insane. You can't catch any move, so I'm not gonna sell this. It's probably gonna go higher. So let's wait for a pullback in London session tomorrow. So let's move 2 bars forward, and we are close to New York session, go to London Open. So London Open does look like that. So I'm not gonna take a sell there because it's probably gonna take the high, to be honest. So that's really risky. So we're just gonna wait, taking the high, moving up, pullback, nothing major, maybe a sell there, have the bearish charge time. Let's take a sell, 10 pips stop loss. So see how we play out there. And this is really risky, but yeah. Let's see. Okay, start moving. That's 4%. Let's keep running it and maybe, yeah, just go break even so we don't take a loss. And let's see if we maybe get like nice. So we do start having a drop. So kind of want to take profit there. Let's run it up a bit. If we drop during the session, not really dropping. So let's just keep it running. See what happens. We have the retest on the 50-minute zone right there, but I'm not gonna add another position because we're heavily bullish. So I'm just gonna go forward and see what happens. We do see the drop or not. Okay, so this is London session. We start dropping. And we start dropping really nice. So that's 12%. Okay, so close partials, and we're gonna close I think like 16 lots. Yeah, so we are up 15% just from 2 trades. And let's, well, the entry is really nice on the 4-hour. Let's run this 4-hour entry to the bottom to see if we create a new low. And that's gonna be it. So we're gonna target a low. Okay, that's a retest. And I'm not adding any positions, we're just doing like swing trading because it's really hard to add positions. So 4-hour retracement, the 4-hour, and then we come down to the low. So here what we're gonna do is close like 4 lots. So we just have 2% running, and that's for a new daily low. So let's see if we create a new daily low so we can finish this backtest session. We create that new low, and then that's basically it. So here we're closing the whole position, and that's the end of the backtest session. Really quick, we just did like, yeah, it was actually the whole September month. So we did take some nice trades. So let's go over them. On the 50-minute, I think we can go over them. Yeah. Let's go over them on the 1 hour. So I just used like 50-minute and 5-minute structure, bigger stop losses, and just swinging trades from the 4-hour zone. So our statistics here are, we took 7 trades, we won 4 trades and lost 3 trades. That's in a month, so just showing you the power of 1 month. 7 trades a month, profit per trade was 10%, loss, we risked 2%, we made 24% just from those trades. So return 24.5, profit factor, I think that's the risk reward, that was 1 to 6, and yeah, we have a 57% win rate. So the trades that we took was, I think the first trade was, let's go over them. I don't know if this works. Yeah, it does show us. So this was our sell that we took here. So the sell there was basically because the 4-hour came there, made a bearish change of character, mitigated, and then we dropped down on the 1 hour, 50-minute. I always take trades during session volatility. So this was London session. 50 minutes, we did have, you can see here how we did have a bearish change of character on the 50 minute. We came to that zone right there. So that's why I basically took that sell, covering the high, taking profit, on after like the 4-hour candle dropped really big here. So I took partials, and then what did price do? Price decided to do this. So do that, and yeah, basically that was it. I think this was, yeah, this, we tried another sell here and we got stopped out. We tried another sell here and we got stopped out again, and then our position got stopped out and we came into that zone. That was a buy here, if you remember, but we didn't manage to take it. Next trade, we took a break even, that was it. Next trade, we took the sell. So, oh, that was the last trade actually. So the sell from there, because 4-hour came higher. I'm sorry I'm not drawing everything, I just do it in my mind and then I'm basically explaining the trades. So this we can delete. Oh, we can delete it. We can, yeah. So we came there, we took liquidity, and then looking on the time frames, we did have a reversal, and the reversal happened again during New York time. So we had a big push, price started playing around there. We had a bearish 15-minute charge after this big move, so we can play reversal. It's actually not a reversal because daily was still bearish. Like if you look at the daily, was still bearish. So we did play that, and then we swing that basically for the low. Took partials, yeah, took partials here, another partial there, and then closed the final position. So this is an example of swing trading, basically because it's easier to do it on a backtest. But let me know if you guys want to see like an intraday smaller time frame. It's gonna take longer, but I think we can do it and just show you how we can trade the small time frames as well and do some quick R per day. And again, this is real, it's not pre-recorded or anything. You see how I can't go back, so if I press bar back, it's not gonna let me. It's gonna show me a pop-up, you can see it, but it doesn't let me go back. So this is like a real backtest session, 24%. Only by swing trading. So if you guys enjoyed this type of video, please let me know down in the comments. Also leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and just let me know if you guys want to see more videos using this backtest software. I found it really cool, really helpful. So I'm probably gonna do a lot of videos like this for my mentorship, guys. So if you want to see it on YouTube, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to join our free Discord, link is in the description box. And also you can sign up for fxatrading.com. We do have a free course there that you can watch. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.